Today, we're diving into some pretty exciting news about Samsung's highly anticipated One UI 7.0 update. If you've been following the rumors, you know that this update has been delayed a couple of times, leaving users eagerly waiting. But there's been a new development. Samsung's mobile division chief, Tian Ro, is personally overseeing the software's progress. This signals that something big is in the works, and it could mean major improvements for Samsung users across the globe. So let's get into it. Samsung originally planned to release the One UI 7.0 beta by the end of July 2024, but that didn't happen. As we moved into August, hopes were high that the beta program would launch soon, but it was delayed once again. Now, we're hearing reports that Tian Ro, the head of Samsung Mobile Experience, MX, is taking personal responsibility for making sure the software update lives up to expectations. If you've been waiting for this update, this delay might have been frustrating. However, when a top executive like Tian Ro steps in, it shows that Samsung is committed to delivering a polished experience rather than rushing out buggy software. So, while the wait is longer than expected, it's a positive sign that Samsung is prioritizing quality. According to ICE Universe, at Universities, a trusted source for Samsung leaks, Tian Ro is directly overseeing the development of One UI 7.0. Why is this important? Well, it's rare for someone at Ro's level to get so deeply involved in the development process, especially for software. Usually, these tasks are left to Samsung's software engineers and teams, but Ro's involvement suggests that Samsung is really focusing on optimizing the user experience. This move could indicate a significant change in how Samsung approaches its software. Historically, Samsung has received criticism for its software being somewhat bloated or inconsistent. With Ro paying extra attention, we might see a smoother, more refined version of One UI that elevates Samsung's smartphones, tablets, and smartwatches to a new level of performance and usability. Now let's talk about what One UI 7.0 is rumored to bring. Several leaks suggest that One UI 7.0 will offer much smoother animations and transitions, creating an overall more fluid experience. This focus on smoothness is a major reason for the delay. Samsung wants to ensure the update is as bug-free as possible before releasing it to the public. But smoother performance isn't the only thing coming. The update is expected to feature a significant UI and UX revamp. Here's a breakdown of some of the exciting features. New Quick Panel layout. The Quick Panel is getting a facelift, making it more intuitive and user-friendly. Updated app icons. Some stock apps are receiving fresh icons, giving the interface a modern touch. Rounded notifications. Notifications will have a cleaner, more rounded look, adding to the polished feel of the UI. Added to the beta program over the coming weeks, so keep an eye out for that if you own a Samsung Galaxy smartphone, tablet, or smartwatch. With Tian Ro personally overseeing the update's development, it's clear that Samsung is committed to enhancing the user experience. For users, this could mean fewer bugs, faster performance, and a more polished interface. The delayed release, while frustrating, shows that Samsung wants to ensure One UI 7.0 is the best it can be. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on Tian Ro taking the reins for One UI 7.0? Let me know in the comments section below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video. Some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy 25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yan also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.